tun truma hian class 12 accountancy company accounts nuaya issue of shares over subscription ti topic kan zirdon ani chumi ma chuan minimum subscription kan soifia lokang minimum subscription omzia chu company na mipui hna share azor chhuah hian IPO kaltlanga share azor chhuah hian an close ni atanga an close ni in 90% za a somkwa omzia chu nuai khat share hi isu ta se 90,000 share hi a closing date main an ngei turani chuan chumian mulo chuanin kha company khanin kha share a isu kha a proceed theilo a kaltlang pui theilo tina alo ni le ta chuan niriat chungin a pelet le vek turani poisa kha chu niriat chunga poisa a pek let lo chuan SEBI guidelines in Securities and Exchange Board of India guidelines in Ashil asoy angin interest 15% nen apek let ngei angai don ta ani chu wang chuan company tan chuan a safe side a chuanin khatiang ang condition a an chuan mi za a somkwa talina an share kha an subscribe an lei si lo chuan niriat chunga poisa refund le vek kha a him zok ti na alo ni ta ni chuan over subscription kan enang over subscription omzia kan soifiang company in share nuai khat issue ta se chuanin application a lei tu tur kha prospect investor mi pui public how khan za 150,000 kha lo lei ta se lo apply ta se lo lei deal ta se chu kan issue bak company na share issue bak aya atam na kha over subscription chu anita de atam na za che hi chu excess application kan te chu 50,000 alo ni ta ani chu ta chuanin keinia chu accounting treatment kan zira accounting kan zirna chuan journal entry kan pass angaya chumia chuan hemi journal entry kan pass dan tur hi chithum in a om theia chu ero chu company board of directors theihna decision an siam azirin subscription treatment akha over subscription treatment akha a om thei tina anitani chuan over subscription treatment pakhatna a chuan first alternative ti in kan danga chu tu excess application hemi achuang application zong hi rejected outright avain an reject nga la chu achuan na zonga kha an reject a kan issue zat ba kha allotment kan pe theilo shim kan pek theilo shim awang kha nin chu kan reject chuan kan refund omzia chu kan allot ho zong kha chu letters of allotment kan pe anga letters of allotment kan thonanga chuan poisa an pek le angai thu kan thiltel pa don ani allotment money chuan kan reject ho kha chu letters of regret kan thonanga chu appointi na le kha kan thona poisa kan refund tel bungal bok don tina dita ni second alternative om veleta second alternative a chuan proportionate allotment antia chu engba excess application akha reject lovin pro rata allotment kan ti bok proportionate allotment kha kan siam don ta ni pro rata allotment ti in accounting a terms a chuan kan soi thina ni chumi chu pro rata ani chuanin a ratio zongin la taila hei hi excess anita hei hi kan issue zata nia hei applied zata nita ni a ratio zongin kan da chuan 1,50,000 is to 1 lakh kan tianga chuan kan cancel nga hei hi chuan 5352 za 10 3 is to 2 share pathum apply tu te kha share pahnih kan pedon kan allot sak don ti na anita ni chu second alternative a accounting treatment kan ti dan tur chu alo ni ta ni chuan third alternative om vele a third alternative a chuan in a all sum zogin combination of first and second an tia combination of first and second alternatives kan ti ni chu a trend kan reject anga a trend pro rata allotment kan siam sak don ti na anita ni chu a journal entry kan pass huna khanin a ti dan tur kha adang lam ta thlia adang lam thlia dona chu mi lai tak chu company accounts a journal entry kan maintain fia fel fai taka maintain tur chuan kha apoi mo na alo ni ta ani tu na question azona an lo solve dona nga azona hi ti hian as all sum zong in kan siamang issued company X limited lo ni ta se X limited chuan in share nuai khat lo issued ta se chuan application an don kha applied kha 1,50,000 lo ni ta se chuan a excess application chu a chuang zong a chu 50,000 ani ta ni chuan installment kan tianga installment chu 3 plus 4 plus 3 equal to 10 hei hi a share face value chu cheng som share application a cheng thum share allotment a cheng li share first and final call a cheng thum anita ne chu hemi hian a question a hian over subscription first alternative kha kan apply don ani chumi a chuan engtin nge journal entry kan pasang journal entry kan pass don chuanin journal entry kan lo pass don anga books of X limited journal entry tani chuan mipuina anron apply khan application le poisa kan dong don na poisa kan don chu bank kal tlangin ani don ani bank account debited to share application account ani don ni chuan kan issue za chut 1 lakh shares ani ma se anron apply chu mi ina leitu mina ron apply chu applications kan dong jong chu 1,50,000 shares ani a chuang ta duai ani chu ti hian kan journal entry kan pasa narration chu share application money on 1,50,000 shares at the rate of rupees 3 per share receive anti don ni chu ti hian chuan share khata cheng thum zel kan mu wangin share sang nuai khat le singa kan multiply chuanin cheng thum kan multiply chuan nuai li le singa kan bank kal tain kan dong ta ni chu 4,50,000 narration ka ziak lovang share application account his share capital account kan transfer leang amai ro chu excess application kha a oma wangin chu kan reject nga la wangin hemi question a khan rejected outright first alternative b kan focus wangin chu wan chuanin ti hian journal entry kan pasang share application account debited to share capital account again to bank kan refund ngal don ti da alo ni ta ni chuan a narration tu chu being share application money transfer to share capital account and rejected excess application money rejected refunded ti in narration kan siamang ti chuan a olsam ti khan share application account 4,50,000 share capital account 3 lakh chuan bank account 1,50,000 kha kan refund na ania tin kan transfer na journal entry alunit pa bokani a second installment kan soi leang chu share allotment anita ni share allotment ta hianin poisa chengli theu share khata kan hudona chu share allotment account debited to share capital account kan tiang chu a narration a chuan being share allotment money on 1 lakh shares at the rate of rupees 4 per share made due ti in narration kan siam manga allotment kan siam hian share allotment account debited to share capital account tia kan siam hian letters of allotment ti kan letters of allotment kan thona poisa ron petura kan hriat tir le na alo ni ta ani chuan poisa kan receive leang bank kal tlangin a date a khachu anikar dan gap thei khachu danina asoyang companies act ina asoyangin kha khachun follow nga ke ni journal entry accounting a chuan hemi hi kan fo date kan ziak thawanga kan follow don thawani bank account debited to share allotment account chuan pelwan omlowa avain an peka wangin 4 lakh kan receive ang hetain narration to being share allotment money on for 1 lakh shares at the rate of rupees 4 per share receive ani vele thungang a third installment tuna share first and final call kan soi vele ang share first and final call a chuan share first and final call a chuan tian journal entry kan pasang debited to share capital account narration to chu being share first and final call money on 1 lakh shares at the rate of rupees 3 per share made due ani doni chumi chu 3 lakh kha company shareholders ten and akhanin intimation kan thona chuta chuanin poisa an pe ka ngai tur thu kha kan srila chuan poisa an pe vek ti question in a soya chumi a chuan poisa kan receive dona engting e kan lo receive ang bank kal tlang bokin bank account debited to share first and final call account 3 lakh heta kan question siam chapa hian cash book bank kalam lo maintain don taila engtin nge chu journal entry tangin ledger cash book account a posting kan tiang engtin nge kan enter ang ti kha kan zirtel le turin tani chuanin a ol samdan chu cash book emo bank account tin kan soya ka lai ko bank account debited to share application bank kal tlangin poisa kan hua chu 4,50,000 alo ni tani 4,50,000 anexa bank thau kan hu chu poisa kan refund na kha bank account is credited by antivela thunga by share application anivela thunga bank account credited by share application ani chuan exactly kan refund 1,50,000 and refund ve thunga ni chuan triat also a second bank account debited to share allotment tin ve thungta 4 lakhs to share allotment 4 lakhs chuan adot lea bank account debited to share first and final call lo ni vele ta to share first and final call 3 legs chuan debit side kan add up chu 11 lakh 50,000 ania chu helama po kan da le 11 lakh 50,000 chuan hei hi 11 lakh 50,000 tangi kan subtract chuan by balance carried down anianga chu 10 lakhs alo nia tikhan hemi kan question siam chop big chu tikhan kan chok zo anita ni narration hi kan blackboard kan board ina zilo wangin kan narrate kha ngai thak chian apoi mo viau mai thei ani adot le zo na tur kan siam chapanga chuan kan solve pa hal don bok ani chuti chuan thria thiam ol sam ti hian y limited kan ti ve to thungang y limited chuan in share 20,000 an issue chuan in applied application kha 25,000 an dong ve thunga excess kha 5,000 ania chuan rejected an tianga chu reject engma omlo on application rupees 3 on allotment rupees 5 including premium rupees 2 nita se on first and final call rupees 4 alo ni don ta de hem equation a hianin kan face value to rupees 10 ani hemi a hian kan focus tur chu second alternative kha anita ni pro rata allotment of shares kha chuan issue of shares at premium ani ti kha hemi question atang hian a hriat thei ngal ani achan chu allotment a hianin chenga nita including premium rupees 2 chuan a premium a chu true ani rupees 2 ani ti kan hre thei ta ni bokani hemi question b ka hian pro rata allotment over subscription second alternative pro rata allotment ani ti kan hre theia achan chu reject engma omlo ni omje chu board of directors khanin a share apply ho zong kha an pomvek dona chuta chuanin pro rata allotment in an siam doni omje chuanin 25,000 in an apply 20,000 chi kan issue hei kan cancel chuanin 5 are 25 5 4 are 20 omje chu share nga apply tu te kha share li kan pe don ti na ani chu pro rata allotment ani ta ni chuan journal entry journalize kan journal entry kan siamanga bank account debited through share application account 75,000 narration to being share application money on 25,000 shares at the rate of rupees 3 per share receive anitani chuan kemi hi share application hi share allotment ta account ta kan transfer leang debited to share capital account kan tiang chu 75,000 chuan a next installment kan tiang chuta chuan securities premium atela wangin ti hian journal entry kan pasang due method kan manga omje chu journal entry kan pass and due method kan manga ni chu ti hian journal entry kan pasang share allotment account debited to share capital account. Again to securities premium. Tani. Journal entry kan pasa bank account debited to share application account. Amjia chu 25,000 shares at the rate of ₹3 per share received adi. To 75,000 ani tani. Chuan kan transfer le ta share application kha share capital account ta. Hela hian share allotment account ti kan lo credit tela. Ngei achan kan ti chuan khami excess application money kha allotment atan kan carry forward ti nia di chu kan adjust don ti na ni chu pek lok angin kan ngai don ti na ni chu berana chuan hetian kan pasa kan transfer pa in share allotment a paisa kan da chuan share allotment account debited to share capital account again to securities premium made due antitani omje chu kan allotment pe turin kan tia cho information kan pe a anon heti hian john entry kan lo pasa chuan poisa anon pe don ta ni poisa anon pek chuanin bank account debited to share allotment ti in kan lo pass le ang helai hian poisa kan hmu tur hi atlem don ta ani enge chan kan ti chuan share allotment share application an ron pek khan allotment ta achuang kha kan dalu to wangin noi khat share capital a singruk securities premium a singli mutur kha avaya noi khat mutur kha sing khat le sanga an pek lo kha kan subtract chuanin singriat le sanga chia paisa kan mudon tina alo ni ta ni chuan a last installment kan en chuan chu share first and final call ani chu ta chuan journal entry kan pass le ang share first and final call account debited to share capital account ani le ang chu 4208 80,000 and the ratio da chuan being share first and final call money on 20,000 shares at the rate of ₹4 per share made due ani tani chuan chu poisa kan hmuleang bankal tlangin poisa kan hmule chuan tiang journal entry kan lo pass leng bank account debit to share first and final call account 80,000 avaya poisa an pek avangin calls in areas omlo ni chuan a narration chu being share first and final call money on 20,000 shares at the rate of ₹4 per share receive tina tielo ni vele me don ta ni question dot le chuan p limited issued 80,000 shares of ₹10 each at ₹12 per share amje chu share kha premium in an issue a premium chu check ni ni chuan on application ₹3 on allotment ₹6 including premium check ni kha helaya allotment atel on final call ₹3 applications were received for 1 lakh shares the director had rejected 10,000 shares and made proportionate allotment for the rest of excess applications in which the money was utilized towards allotment tini chumi omzia chu question analysis a chuan hemi 80,000 hi an issue a chuanin applications andon chu 1 lakh ani tani ta hian 1 lakh a hian rejected chu 10,000 ani omzia chuanin 1 lakh a 10,000 and reject chuanin 90,000 kan la nei ti na ani ta ni chu pro rata allotment ani don ti na ni ta pro rata allotment a chuanin 80,000 is to 90,000 omzia chu share kwa apply to 10 share riat zel an chang don ti na ani ta ni chuan a question an calls in areas kan nei final call a mi pakhatin share zan ni apelowa chu 200 shares at final call tin kan dang question analysis sa chuan journal entry kan pass do na nga journal entry kan pass do na ti hian p limited account ania journal entry first paisa application kaltlan kan mo bank account debited to share application 3 lakh ani 3 lakh ani na chan chu 3 into number of shares applied neta ni chuan narration chu being share application money received on 1 lakh shares at the rate of rupees 3 per share excess anita ni excess application anita chu heta hian kan transfer liang share application account debited to share capital account again to share allotment again to bank attend kan reject kan refund ngala excess application money kha allotment ta kan mangtang kai ngal boka chuan application 3 lakh ani a chuan share capital hemi lo chhuah dan chu 80,000 into 3 ania share allotment lo chhuah dan chu khami 3 lakh a tanga hemi 2,40,000 subtract a kan refund kan subtract le khan 30,000 thau lo chhuah ka chu hemi bank account kan refund kha 10,000 into 3 ani a chu 30,000 lo ta ni chuan poisa khabi b ka b chu kan ti fela first le second installment second installment chuan share allotment account debited to share capital account again to securities premium amzia chu 6 into 80,000 chu 4,80,000 ani tani share capital b ka paisa kan muna tu chu out of 6 a hian 4 hi premium ania 4 into 80,000 chu 4 8 are 32 ania 3,20,000 lo ni tani securities premium chu 2 into 80,000 8 2 are 16 ania 1,60,000 amjia chu paisa kan share allotment kan mutu chu tizat securities premium b ka nuai khat le sing ruk share capital la nuai thum le sing ni ani ta ni ma se share allotment ta paisa kan don lok to wangin share allotment paisa kan mutu ra tang hianin 30,000 kan pai chuan bank account debited to share allotment account alo ni ang chu 4,50,000 chia kan mudon tina ni chu a last installment share final call rupees 3 ani a chumi a chon entry kan pass to chu share final call account debited to share capital account ani chu 8 3s are 24 2,40,000 kan mutu ni ta ni ma se heta hian shareholder pakhat khadin a last installment final call kha paisa pe kim lo wangin calls in areas kan nei don tina alo ni ta ni chu bank account debited calls in areas account debited to share final call account ting kan pasanga calls in areas chu an chu dan tu chu share zani cheng thumin kan multiply anga chu zaru ko lo niang ni chuan paisa kan mu zong chu 2,39,400 alo ni don ta ni chuan hei hi alternative entry om theia chumi chu bank account debited to share final call account ti ringot in an da theia chu ta chuan amount hi 2,39,400 he ta po 2,39,400 tin an da the calls in areas account kan maintain lo chuan chu alternative entry omje chu journal entry pass thei dan dang le tina ani chu calls in areas account tel lova journal entry pass dan ani chu tikhan tun tum over subscription b ka kan zir first alternative rejected outright excess application le second alternative proportionate allotment of shares le third alternative combination of first and second khami kha tikhan issue of shares at par le issue of shares at premium tenen tikhan a hriat thiam thei tura ngai ani